from the ICC. We are currently not part of the ICC. So magandang malaman, anong status ng pag-imbita? As what? As what and what for? I would be interested to hear the answer to those questions. But I guess I leave it up to the chairman first of the committee. I leave it up to the House as well. Pero magandang masagot nila yung tanong, as what nila iniimbitahin ang ICC?
So going back dun sa caucus, sa resumption, ang focus nun kung papaano
Yung schedule lang.
schedule lang.
Schedule lang. Pag-aagrihan yung schedule. Kasi siyempre, alam naman nila roughly this time of the year ay budget. Actually, yung schedule na ipopropose ni Senator Grace, nakita ko kahapon, ay halos pareho lang ng mga schedule sa nagdaang taon. Halos walang pinagbago. Even the agencies, with very minor differences dahil sa availability.